Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So spring cleaning season is here and Dollar General has some amazing deals to help you refresh your home without blowing your budget. From cleaning supplies to organizers, laundry care, and all the little essentials that make your space feel brand new again, Dollar General has you covered. I'm breaking down the best spring cleaning deals you can grab this week, the must-clip coupons, and the easiest ways to save while getting your home in order. With these first two deals, there's no need to clip any coupons. First up, we have the latex reusable gloves. These are perfect for dishes, scrubbing bathrooms, wiping down surfaces, and keeping your hands protected from harsh cleaners. They're durable, they're comfortable, and easy to rinse and reuse. Best of all, they're only $1. Next up, and also for $1, is a good squeegee. So whether you're tackling windows, shower doors, mirrors, or countertops, a squeegee gives you streak-free results in seconds. It's one of those tools that makes cleaning faster and way easier. It's simple, it's affordable, it's super effective, and you can add it to your spring cleaning kit. If you're tackling spring cleaning, Windex is one of those must-have items that makes everything look instantly brighter. And this week at Dollar General, you'll want to clip that 50-cent digital coupon because it works on multiple Windex options. You can use it on the classic Windex Original Spray, perfect for windows, mirrors, glass tables, and anything that needs that streak-free shine. If you like a little freshness while you clean, the coupon also works on the Windex Citrus Spray, which gives you that same powerful clean with a light, clean scent. And don't forget, this coupon also applies to the Windex Foaming Glass Cleaner. The foam clings to surfaces, making it great for vertical areas like shower doors or big mirrors where you want the cleaner to stay put and do the work. Now, our next deal is a household name. We're going to start with the Dawn Ultra Easy Squeeze. This bottle is a game changer. No cap, no mess, and it dispenses from the bottom, so you get every last drop. It's perfect for dishes, greasy pans, and quick cleanups around the kitchen. And don't forget to clip that 50-cent digital coupon in your Dollar General app to bring the price down even more. Easy savings on a product most of us use every single day. Next up is the Clorox Disinfecting Wipes, and they're on sale 2 for $10. These are perfect for wiping down counters, doorknobs, appliances, bathrooms, anywhere you want a fast disinfecting clean. They're quick, convenient, and great to keep in the kitchen, the car, or even in your work bag. So grab your Dawn Easy Squeeze, clip that 50-cent coupon, and stock up on Clorox wipes while they're 2 for $10. Two simple deals that make spring cleaning a whole lot easier. Now, for those of you who love Mr. Clean products, then this is a deal you won't want to miss. First up is the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, and this is the 2-count. These things are lifesavers for scuffs, grime, baseboards, walls, appliances, you name it. And this week, make sure you clip the $2 digital coupon in your Dollar General app to bring that price down. It's an easy, high-value savings on a product that works on just about everything. Next, we've got a deal on Mr. Clean Multi-Purpose Cleaner and the Mr. Clean Freak. These are perfect for cleaning the kitchen, the bathrooms, the counters, and tough messes. Just open your Dollar General app and clip the $1 digital coupon to save instantly at checkout. Whether you like the classic liquid cleaner or the spray and wipe down power of Clean Freak, both are great for deep cleaning and everyday touch-ups. Two simple coupons, two powerful cleaners, and a whole lot of sparkle for your home. Clip those coupons and add these to your spring cleaning lineup. So for those of you who don't like to hand wash dishes, you're going to like this one, the Finish Ultimate Quantum Dishwasher Tabs. These are some of the strongest tabs you can buy. They cut through grease, stuck on food, and cloudy buildup so your dishes come out sparkling clean. And right now, make sure you clip the $3 digital coupon in your Dollar General app. That's an easy, high-value savings on a premium product most of us use every day. And while you're in the app, check out the deal on the Swiffer refill products. There's a $2 digital coupon you can use on the dry cloths or the wet cloths. These are perfect for quick cleanups, dusting, pet hair spills, anything you want to tackle fast without dragging out that mop or broom. All right, y'all, so that wraps up all the best Dollar General spring cleaning deals you can grab this week, from high-value coupons on Finish, Swiffer, Mr. Clean, and Windex, to everyday essentials like Dawn Easy Squeeze, Clorox wipes, and all the tools that make cleaning easier. This is the perfect time to stock up and refresh your home without overspending. Make sure everything is clipped in your Dollar General app before you head to the store so you don't miss out on those extra savings at checkout. And remember, these deals change fast, so grab what you need while the prices are low. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you all are having an amazing day. I hope you have a fun time shopping, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.